This is a really simple but delicious twist on a classic. I love using a good quality rum because the rum shines through and you get the butterscotchy richness of it. And then the lime is bright and the two just pair beautifully. And in this case, the banana is subtle. It's not like a banana runt, but it adds a kind of a soft roundness to that sharpness of the lime. And it really brings out more of those kind of caramelized, beautiful rum notes. So it's refreshing, it's delicious. It's just a simple but great twist that you should try. So let's go shopping. So first for our banana daiquiri, the essential component, rum. We use the Jamaican pot still blonde, so it's a blonde rum. It's got a little like rich butterscotch sort of note to it, which pairs really well with banana, but it's gonna give you some of those rich caramelized butterscotchy notes that are very comforting and cozy. It's like the Minions. Banana! Next, we have creme de banana. It is really delicious. This isn't gonna be like your banana runts. It's rich, it's got a real kind of creme brulee banana. It's gonna pair really nice with that blonde rum. It's subtle in the cocktail, but it's a nice touch to kind of round it out and just add something a little more unique. If you're looking for something creative to kind of expand out your bar, this is one that I recommend. Really fun to kind of play with. You can go a lot of directions with it. Adds kind of a nice little touch to kind of jazz up a lot of your normal cocktails. So think about getting yourself a bottle. Okay, today we're gonna make a banana daiquiri. I know I'm wearing flannel, which does not really seem to go with that vibe, but that's okay. 1.5 ounces of a blonde rum, 3/4 ounce banana liqueur, 1 ounce fresh squeezed lime juice. I'm gonna shake with some big ice chunks today. Get a nifty little glass full of some crushed ice or semi-crushed ice or, you know, something ice-like, and strain. Don't mind me. And then we'll garnish with a lime. And that is how you make a banana daiquiri.